Hello, and welcome to the web-based training for indexing invoices within the Fortis web application. This course will provide a step-by-step process for indexing non-PO invoices, physician payments, and employee reimbursements into Fortis. To begin, open the Banner Health homepage. Navigate to the left side of the screen and find Tools and Services under System-Wide Links. Choose the category F through J, then Fortis. Make sure to choose Fortis and not Fortis Webflow. You may want to bookmark this page for future use. Make sure the Fortis AP database is chosen as well as the Edit Radio button. Log in using your LAN ID as the username and your employee ID as the password. Click the In Baskets link at the top of the page. Once redirected to the In Basket page, select the department in Basket. The invoices waiting to be indexed will be displayed. Let's use a non-PO invoice to index for our example. To begin indexing the invoice, click the Index button next to the invoice document. On the left side of the screen, select Webflow. For non-PO invoices, petty cash funds, or physician payments, select AP Webflow on the right-hand side of the screen. For employee reimbursements, select Employee Expenses on the right-hand side of the screen. Make sure the images you are indexing are clean and readable. If they aren't, delete the invoice from the In Basket. The invoice will need to be rescanned. If the index field is bolded, it means it is required for Fortis. The required index fields when indexing an employee reimbursement are also bolded. The following index fields are required by the initiator: invoice type, vendor name, invoice date, invoice total amount, facility, department, and status. The invoice type field has a pick list icon to the right of the field. Click on the pick list icon in order to select the invoice type. If you do not see any options in the pick list, click the magnifying glass to make the options appear. In the vendor name field, enter the full name of the vendor, physician, or petty cash fund in all capital letters. Do not use abbreviations in this field. In the invoice date field, enter the date of the invoice. In the invoice total amount field, enter the total amount of the invoice including tax. For credit invoices, enter the negative sign in front of the amount. In the facility field, use the pick list to locate the facility for the invoice. In the department field, use the pick list to choose the correct department. The status field has a drop-down list of the different statuses in Webflow. When scanning, always choose Incoming from Facility. If you are also within the coder role for your department, the coding piece can be completed within this step. Please refer to the Coding Non-PO Invoices and Physician Payments training video or Indexing and Coding Employee Reimbursements training video for further instructions. Once all the required fields have been completed, click the Add button at the top right-hand corner of the screen. This process has been documented in user guides that are available on the Fortis team SharePoint. To access these user guides, go to the Banner Intranet homepage, search for Fortis, select the first link, and choose the Webflow folder. Listed here is all the training documentation available for Fortis Webflow. You have now completed the web-based training for indexing invoices in the Fortis web application.